Well, ridiculous, but unfortunately it is the truth. Smart people, specifically the people who were smart at school, if no one support them, no one show the true path to them, they will really struggle in their life. Unfortunately, you've seen many of these smart people, but they're smart. Why they are struggling with their life? That's nonsense. I have some reasons for this. I'm not saying dumb people, I'm gonna say normal people. Imagine a normal guy want to start a business or studying or career. They just consider one or two factors and then they start working. But smart guy doing this. Alright, this career would be good. Web developing would be very good for future. So if I can start working on web developing would be better. Suddenly another idea will pop up. Bloop. Oh, AI also is booming. So about AI, let's learn AI. Another idea. Bloop. Oh, business is also not bad. I can think about business. And many things coming into their mind. They're not start and they just struggling among ideas. But normal people just start, I don't know, some even normal jobs, not very specific and hard job. They just start working on car wash or starting web developing, learn coding, studying, or even content creation. They just put the camera in front of themselves, start creating content. Even in creating content, smart people think that, no, this will not get viewed, this will not work, no. I'm not saying I'm smart, but I had the same problem. When I wanted to create content, I used to think a lot. You can't believe it. Yeah, this will not blow up. Forget about that idea is not good, that idea is bad. Let's try this one, let's do that one. I forgot everything and I said, sit in front of this shit, the camera I mean, and start creating content. That would be enough. Forget about overthinking, forget about overanalyzing. Another thing about smart people is this. When normal guy face a problem, they're just trying to fix that problem, resolve that problem in whatever method they can. They're not arrogant, they're put aside their egos and their vanity and they start asking people. But smart people, they think that, no, why should I ask this guy? I'm smarter than him or her. I'm not gonna ask, I can fix it, I can resolve it by myself. Damn, it takes much longer time and maybe you will not be able to fix it. Yeah, maybe you can fix it, but it will take your time and time is very valuable. On the other hand, smart people trying to find like weird solutions. Problem is very hard and we should, I don't know, solve it in very amazing and weird solution. I don't know, have you heard the story of the pen in this space or not? Because as you know, pen basically using gravity to work because of the ink inside of it. So you cannot use the pen in this space. So some science tried to create a pen that it can write even in this space. And they spent thousands of dollars. They did it. But when they did it, told their rivals that we have created a pen that even we can write in the space. The rival said, oh, really? That's impressive, but we use pencil. Yeah, that was impressive, but they spent a lot of money for nothing. It's not gonna work like that. I'm gonna tell you this. Please, after this, sometimes forget about outsmarting the process. Just stick to process. Forget about new methods. Forget about, creativity. Just fix the problem like people have fixed it before you with the same method. You're not gonna reinvent the wheel, you know? And when you start working, when you start an idea, a career, a job, whatever, just try to stay in the process and give it time and be patient. Try to ask other people to get their experience to save your valuable time. If you listen to these things that I told you in this video, you can become successful overnight, which I have created another video up here about how you can become successful overnight. It's real, believe me, it's real. Thank you so much and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.